How to trade cards in Travel Town. So first up, you're going to want to open your app right here. And once you do that, you go to settings, make sure that you are connected to Facebook. And once you do that, make sure that you have connected with some friends on Facebook as you are only able to trade with friends. Choose your duplicate cards as you can see here. So tap on the duplicate cards that you want to send to a friend and they are easy to spot. The duplicate cards that is, as they will have a small number with a plus sign on them. And once you do that, you select the friend that you want to trade with. And if your friend agrees to the trade, there will be a red notification badge that appears in your inbox icon like this. Some bonus tips to increase the chances of you getting the card that you want, you can join their Facebook trading group right here. I'll link it in the description. And keep in mind that you can also post the cards that you're missing, trade duplicate cards, make new friends, and win exciting rewards. And that is how you trade your cards on Travel Town. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.